This is a project showcase of my team's final project titled Do Not Buy here on Projectstake Academy. This is our final project. So what exactly is Do Not Buy? What is this Do Not Buy? Okay, before I go into, I would like to introduce my team members. This is myself. We have Prince Will, we have Samara, the iOS developer, Conde, the backend, and Adewale Joshua, also the backend developer. These are the team who came up with this project idea and brought it to life. So, what exactly is Do Not Buy? Now, Do Not Buy is an online platform that gives second-hand phone buyer here in Nigeria the opportunity of verifying if the product, the device they are trying to buy is stolen or not in order to save them from financial loss. Now imagine trying to buy a second-hand product and you don't have a way of telling if that product was stolen or not. And here in Nigeria, this deal is a common kind of deal whereby people buy second-hand mobile phones a lot. So do not buy kicks in whereby these kind of dealers or people the opportunity to verify if the product they are trying to buy is actually stolen or not. Now, the do not buy itself, the project is actually scalable, but due to time frame, we have to define the scope of the project to be limited to smartphones, just smartphone devices only. But the system is designed to be scalable. You can add laptops and other electronic devices, but that will be later on. So because in order to have a minimum viable product we can work with, we decided to just define our scope to mobile devices for now. So that's it for the whole project itself. Let's go to the main page, the do not buy page itself. Okay, right here you can see data being displayed, products, devices and information of stolen products. Here we have Google Pixel by Anonymous. The description: this device was stolen at a tech conference in Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria, blah, stuff like that. Then the date it was posted, the date the user posted it. You can get to report, but I'll talk more on that later. Okay, so now imagine trying to buy a second-hand device, and okay, you now have a platform where you can verify if it's stolen or not. You get to insert the product IMEI or the product, the device's serial number. If you don't know how to do that, we have an info icon here that guides you on the step on doing that. You can just use this info icon. So I'll try to search an IMEI here. Just try to paste in an IMEI. Okay, let me just paste in this IMEI. As you can see, this IMEI is for Google Pixel. It's telling you, okay, Google Pixel, the name of who posted it, the IMEI, the details, the description, the date in which it was posted. This device is a stolen device, do not buy. Now, whenever you come to our platform and you type in an IMEI, a serial number, or a serial number, and you have a result, do not proceed with the transaction. It just means the device itself has been stolen. So let me just type in some random thing that is not an IMEI. Now we don't have that. Let me test another IMEI. Let's check. Okay, this is for Dialing 5. Now I'd like to say something though. You come in here and type in an IMEI and the device is not found, then probably later on you find out, oh, this device was stolen, and they get back to you. Now it can just mean two things. It means one, the owner of the device hasn't heard about do not buy in order to post the details of the device that was stolen, or yes, the details of the device that was stolen, or at the time the visitor searches the uh, that's IMEI on our platform, that's the data has not been displayed yet. So it doesn't give you this 100% guarantee. But if well publicized and the project is kind of well known, you at least would have this accuracy of at least 70 to 80% chance of verifying that okay, this product is actually stolen or not. So I have an account. Instead of signing up, I'll just go over to my dashboard as a user. Then I'm just viewing as a visitor. So I'm logging. Okay. Now here I can add a device here. I can add a device, but I already have one. I can change my password. I can log out and stuff like that. This is the device on my dashboard. So here's the Google Pixel. Now imagine later on I was able to find the device. I can just decide to remove my device here and let's log out. So I don't have any device to be displayed. Let's confirm that our data has been removed. As you can see, we don't have the Google Pixel. Oh, sorry, we don't have the Google Pixel anymore. The data has been removed, stating that okay, the user has probably found his or her device. Sorry. So for the report button, we'll talk more about that later. But for now, this is just a basic function of People Not Buy page web app itself. Yeah. So thank you. See y'all.